So here's the story. You want to prosperate and win a good money with crypto? Here's my point of view and half of mediocre experience with that. What I do, just save some money to invest when it's profitable. Example, Solana coin. In 3 minutes, we can see that we are in the good surf wave to catch. In the wave of 3 months, the coin just dropped to $1, no less. So it's some kind of resistance. So back in 1 minute. So let's say you get your payment 10 of June and save at least $150. To me, it's $839 BRL. You wait almost 1 month to see how it is. With the surf wave of like 3 months in the example you receive, and time to time you see how the market is going. Here we can see it's getting down, day 10 to 20. We watch drop to 871 BRL to 134. That's $755 BRL. If you just have invested when you got the cash in day 10, you will lose a lot. That's crypto ways. Same way, if you study, you can win. So now it's day 20, you wake up like 9 a.m. BR and the coin is on the $135, to me $755, you see it. And now on day 24, on a quick look, you see the price close to the resistance, $123. It's $690. Time to get excited, or we'll have the great fall of the resistance. That includes more patience and study, but to win more in a long way or it will blow. So let's keep looking when it's close to resistance of the coin. And coins have kind of resistance with same influence because of the market, I think. Anyway, it's getting time to be more attempt to see how it's updating and getting higher in the same day. We see go back to 126, 706 BRL at 7 p.m. So you might just want to buy half just to be sure. So 350 BRL, $75 dollar, you now have half of the coin. I buy at 700 BRL. That's $125 valuable. So save 350 BRL. Day 24 at 9 p.m. And make sure you see how it's going the graphics in less than 30 minutes. To be sure, don't go down to resistance again. Just wait. But as at seems close to midnight, get up to $701, $11 BRL win until now in some 40 highs. Then you go sleep and wake tomorrow, day 25 at 7 a.m. and see the valuable goes up to $131. It starts getting higher. Time to take the everything seriously. See and it feel good. Just buy the other half, more the numbers left. In the case of BRL, more 3 GT. You now have 100% of winning where the valuables are going in. If you just want some bucks and are afraid when it gets to 823 real. $147 at day 27. In the end of the day, you will have win almost 100 BRL or $17 or more. Now that's just a tip and quick event throughout 27 days, just 24 days with patience for investing and waiting for those 3 days of winning. But this is in a small scale. Take that view to Ethereum, Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, and double the coins like Solana. With patience and strategy, you can make a lot of money with that market. We can start low and aim for future like buying, just when it goes down, do resistance, and holding to double or triple the portfolio, getting rich, and with synth, with the market of the future. Now that's just a point of view. I'm just sharing how I can make some money in crypto. I use my own bank to buy the cryptos, so I don't explain thinking in the taxes you pay for your buying cryptos. That's it. What do you think? Let me know.